Today is 19 October 2017, market open positive, and after the initial pullback, market raised all the way to test the resistance at 3354. However, in the afternoon, market returned most of the gain and eventually up only 5 points at 3334. Now this is probably in reactions to the sell down in the Dow futures, which was down about 100 point, and Hang Seng was actually down about 150 point. Immediate resistance is at 3354 and support is at 3320. The fact that actually today trade along ladder dojis and we are in this congestion zone, market may become range bound. We like to see another attempt at the resistance of 3354. Now today we have strong move, but most of them actually returns their early gain. Let's take a look at property counter first. This is UOL. Over here we have a small deeper breakout, very nice, and notice the increase in volume again. In the afternoon itself, it returned some of the gain. However, it's still pattern is still very nice. We look for pullback here and look for a setups to go long. This is CityDev. Similarly, we have a small deeper breakout, but you notice actually return most of the gain. Likely to actually pull back and go sideways. Again, when they actually trade sideways, we look for setups to go long. Chimeng Sing. Stock actually kept up today. Notice a very high volume. Look for pullback here, and we look for new setups to go long. Guacoland. Notice a period consolidation, managed to bring on the upside. Today's make a high but close poor. Again, from here itself, we look for pullback and we look for a new setup. We also see stocks like Wheelock that return most of the gain. If you notice, yesterday itself we have very nice trust bar. Notice today we have a pullback. It's a small deeper setup. Look for a break above the high here of 210. Wang Tai. Notice today we have reversal bars but low volume, so there is some panic selling. Here we have a setup. Look for a break above the high of 230. We discussed Nimbe in the previous videos. Similarly, stock actually closed poor. Okay, from here itself, we look for a pullback and look for setups to go long. If you've taken the trades, probably we should get out towards the end of the day. If not, just observe your stop loss, which is one tick below the low here of 0.685. This is Franken. After a strong move here, stock pullback. I'd like to see the stock break above this high here of 59 cents. UMS, after a period of consolidation, stock actually break on the upside with good volume. However, again in the afternoon, there was some return of the gain. The stock actually is now trading come bonus. Olam International. After the strong inbound trend here, we have a pullback, break on the upside today. Again, look for pullback and look for new setup. IPO stock unusual. Yesterday we have a very nice trust bar, and today you trade an inside there. Notice the low volume here, so there's some nervousness amongst the investor, and they actually cash out. Again, we actually look for a setup and look for a break above this high here of 585. This is Keppel Corp. Notice a very strong move here, and somewhere near the resistance here, you actually pull back. So far, the pullback is healthy. We like to see the stocks eventually take out this resistance here at about 723. Semicon industry. Still a distance away from the resistance, perhaps it's still tradable. We'd like to see the stock take out the high here, the recent high here of 327. Semicon marine pattern is less favorable, so probably we just leave it alone. Let's take a look at the bank. This is DBS. After a period of consolidations, today's stock break on the upside, and however it didn't close well. Look for pullback and look for a new setup. Just be mindful of overhead resistance. CBC managed to actually make new 1-year high, but unfortunately was short-lived. There was actually retracements in the afternoon as well. So here we'd like to see how it turned out. If the stock can trade sideways, we like to look for eventual break above this high here of 1160. UOB appeared to be performing better, managed to close high. Notice after the run, it was actually range bound trading sideways, and today managed to actually close well. But again, this is perhaps we have to be just careful to take this trade because there's immediate over resistance. So DBS perhaps will be a better stocks. A stock coming from the bottoms, which has held out well today, is SingPost. Notice the stock actually found a base after the severe sell downs. Managed to actually raise up with a gap, and the fact that today market is actually weight this stock straight. And inside day, look for a break above this high here of 131. Again, market generally are more resilient and more biased towards the upside, but we'd like to actually see how the overseas markets, in particular US, over the next few days. And if it's still holding up well, we can actually consider taking trades on the long side and avoid the short trades.